How to change your language on the Dex-Trade app. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open Dex-Trade on your device. Once you do this, to change the language, just go ahead and tap on the menu icon on the bottom right. You can scroll a bit down and find this globe icon which says English. So you can just go ahead and tap on the globe icon and see all of the languages which are available. To change the language, just go ahead and tap on the language of your choice. The app will restart. In a while, you can see all of the interface language has been changed. If you want to revert back the language, just go ahead and tap on the menu and scroll a bit down until you find the globe icon. Once you hit the globe icon, you can just go ahead and tap on English or any other language to revert it back. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.